despite all that, no, medyo nakakainis lang. Kasi sorry to Senator Bato, first of all, senador ka. Pero, why are you acting like you are a wanted character sa isang action movie? Masyado ka na bang nadidikit kay Liver Lover? Kaya medyo nagiging action star ka na rin? Kasi if you truly believe in your innocence, wouldn't this be the perfect moment to face the allegations head-on? To defend yourself, to clear your name. Kasi the more na parang iniiwasan mo, the more people will start asking questions. Kapag public official ka, perception matters. Lalo na kung taxpayer-funded position ka. Lalo na kung months kang naging absent. Lalo na kung ang public image mo ngayon ay, quote-unquote, nagtatago.